Hello everyone, I am back with one more question. So this is our today's question. So let's see the question first. The question is find x. So we need to find out the value of x with the help of this given equation. So this equation is given to us, and with the help of this equation we need to find out the value of x. So let us see the equation. The equation is 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6 equals to 9 upon 4 whole raised to 2x plus 1 upon 2. So this whole part is in the power form, okay, into 8 upon 27 whole raised to 1 plus x upon 3. So this equation is given to us, and with the help of this we need to find out the value of x. So let us see how we will get the value of x and how we will solve this type of question. So moving ahead with the solution part. So if you see the question carefully, this 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6, this I am keeping as it is, 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6. So this part I am keeping as it is, equals to, now here if you see 9 upon 4, so 9 is a perfect square number and 4 is also a perfect square number. So in place of 9 upon 4, 9 is 3 square and 4 is 2 square. So these both are perfect square numbers. So in place of 9 upon 4, we can write 3 upon 2 the whole square. So in place of 9 upon 4, what we are putting? We are putting 3 upon 2 the whole square, and this power, this part, this again I am keeping as it is, 2x plus 1 upon 2. So I hope this much part is clear to you. In place of 9 upon 4, I have kept 3 upon 2 the whole square. If you square up this, you will get 9 upon 4, and this part I have kept as it is, into, now moving ahead, 8 upon 27. Again 8 is a perfect cube number of 2. 2 if you multiply 3 times you get 8, and 27 is a perfect cube of 3. So again in place of 8 upon 27 we can write 2 upon 3 and the whole cube, because 8 is a perfect cube number. Here it was square number, here it is cube number. So we need to take 3, and this whole raised to, this power I am keeping as it is, 1 plus x upon 3. So I hope this much part is clear to you. Now further moving ahead, this part I am keeping as it is, 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6. Now here if you see 3 upon 2, now I am trying to make the bases same. So here in place of 3 upon 2, I can take the reciprocal of this and I can write it as 2 upon 3. But what happens when we take the reciprocal, the power, this power 2, the square, this 2 what we have written, it becomes negative. So in place of 3 upon 2, if you take the reciprocal, if you take 2 upon 3, what will happen? Here in place of 2, I will write minus 2. Why? Because we are taking reciprocal. So here in place of 2, we need to just write negative 2, and we can change this. So 3 upon 2 can be written as 2 upon 3. And this whole raised to this 2x plus 1 upon 2 into, now moving here, so here no change, 2 upon 3 we are keeping as it is, and this 3 and this power will get multiplied. So 3 multiplied by 1 plus x upon 3. So this will get multiplied. Similarly here also we will multiply this. So first of all, before moving ahead, let me write down here in this portion we have applied the rule of power and exponent. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So this rule we have applied here. So that is why we are getting negative 2 in the power. I hope now it is more clear. Now further moving ahead, so this part 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6 we will keep as it is. Here 2 upon 3 whole raised to minus 2 whole raised to minus 2, and this 2x plus 1 upon 2, this we are writing here, this both will get multiplied, both the powers will get multiplied. Again this is rule, this is again rule of power and exponent. A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So this is second rule of power and exponent which we are applying here with the powers. So minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 whole upon 2. So this way we will write into this part and keeping as it is 2 upon 3 whole raised to 3 into 1 plus x upon 3. So here we have applied this rule, and here with the powers we have applied this rule. Now here if you see, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So this both can be cancelled. Similarly here 3 and 3 will be cancelled off. Now we are left with 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6 equals to 2 upon 3 whole raised to, here negative sign is there. 2 and 2 we have cancelled, but minus sign is left. So this negative sign will get multiplied with this both. So we will get minus 2x minus 1 into, now here 2 upon 3 whole raised to 1 plus x. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled and only 1 plus x will be left in the power. Now further this part again keeping as it is 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6 equals to, now here if you see bases are same, okay, bases are same and they are in multiplication. So again applying the rule of power and exponent, so these powers can be added up because we have same bases. So 2 upon 3 we will write and we will add the powers. So minus 2x minus 1 plus 1 plus x. So just combining the powers. So this minus 1 and plus 1, this both gets removed, and minus 2x plus x will be minus x. So we are left with 2 upon 3 whole raised to x plus 6 equals to 2 upon 3 whole raised to, here we are left with negative x. So this we are left. Now further if you see LHS and RHS part, both the sides we have same bases. So on comparing both the sides, if you compare both the sides, the bases are same, it means that the powers are also same. So powers can be taken equal and we can equate. So moving ahead, I am doing it this side. So these bases are same, so obviously powers also can be taken equal. So we get x plus 6 equals to minus x. On comparing this we are getting this equation. Now we will solve this part. So this x we will shift here, or either this you can shift here. So here we will get x plus x equals to this positive 6. When I will shift there it will become negative 6, and here I will get 2x equal to negative 6. Now further x will be equal to negative 6 upon 2. This 2 we are shifting here in the denominator. So 2 1s are and 2 3s are. So the value of x is negative 3. So x equals to minus 3. So this will be our final answer for this type of question. So this way we will solve this type of complicated question, and this is our answer, x equals to minus 3. Hope you understood.